Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make the questions and evaluate the answers for the quiz game. First we'll import the random library, which will help us to make random questions. Next we'll define a few variables to help us keep track of the score. So we'll have score, which we'll set to 0. We'll have answered, which we'll set to true. And we'll have run, which will be true. And now we'll make our main loop for the game. While run is equal to true. And then now we'll get the events. So for event in pygame dot event dot if event dot type is equal to, so this is checking if the user clicks X, then it'll automatically stop the game. Run equals false. False. Okay. Now we'll generate the questions. So we'll only need to make a question if the user answers. So if answered equals true, then we'll make the question. To make question, we'll set two variables, x and y, and random. Using the random family library, we'll use the modular random rand int to generate numbers from 1 to 12, and we'll do that again. Random rand int is 12. If you want, you can make it 15, 1 to 15, you can make it any numbers, range of numbers you choose. I'm just doing the 12 times table. Okay, Z will be the correct, or this will be the correct answer. Correct answer is equal to X times Y. Okay, so now we have two numbers and the correct answer. So now we'll make a list of possible answers. Make of possible answers. So answers, we'll make this the answers list, or possible answers list. So we'll append correct. So we'll append the correct answer onto the answers list. So the first index will be the correct answer. And then now we'll generate 3 other random numbers. Generate 3 other random numbers. So for I in range 3, we'll do answers, the append random rand int, and the number range will be 144. So now our list will have will look something like this. Answers will look something like, so the correct answer, and then we'll say ABC are the 3 random answers, ABC. And then we will, but then if the answer is always in the first index, the user will realize. So it's like we'll need to generate like choose a random location for the answer to be in. So random, choose random location, and so we'll say random position is equal to random dot randint and 4. Okay, so now we'll need to randomize the list. So then we'll do answer dot insert. We'll insert into the random position the correct answer. Okay, so then random. Okay, so now the list will have two correct answers. So then it'll look something like this. And then let's say the random position was 3, so then it'll be here. 1 second. Okay, and then D. So then, yeah, so we'll need to answer the position 0. So we'll need to pop the remove the answer from the beginning of the list, and now it will be at the correct answer will be among one of the 3 random answers. Okay, this should be pop. Okay, and we'll have to set the answer to false because so it does not generate another question until like it's answered. Okay, in this video we won't be displaying anything to the screen. So if you want to see the question generated and answered, and the list of answers, we'll have to print it to the terminal. So I'm going to print it using an string. So the first number was x, and it'll be multiplied by y, which is the second number. And then, so that is the question, and now we'll see the answer. Okay, so now we want to get the input and evaluate the answers. So to do that, we'll want to get the mouse input. So get mouse input, mouse is equal to pygame dot mouse dot underscore pressed. Okay, and now we'll also want to get keyboard input because that will be another way to answer the questions. Get keyboard input. So keys is equal to pygame the key the get pressed. Okay, and now that we have the inputs, now we want to detect like what they said. So this will be for box 1, which is the box on the left, the first box from the left. So if, and then this will be the mouse, so if pygame the mouse the get underscore pressed square bracket 0, and pygame the rect 50. So this is the coordinates of the rectangles. Is 150 and 100. So it'll be at 50 and 350, and 100. It'll be 150 wide by 100. Or this will be the list of answers. Okay. Line 88. Okay. Line 88. Oh, here. There shouldn't be brackets here. Okay. Okay. And as you can see, it generates a question 4 times 10, and then this is the list of possible answers. Here, stop, and then you can try running it again, and it creates another question. Well, let's try making another one. There, and okay, so now we'll use the collide point and pygame the mouse the get underscore position to get the mouse of the thing, of the position of the mouse. So this will check if the mouse was clicked, and if the mouse was clicked inside this rectangle. And we'll also want to check if they clicked the keyboard. So pygame underscore 1. So if they did select box 1 by clicking 1 or typing 1 or clicking the box, we'll want to check if it's correct. If correct, we'll increase, or we'll have to check if the first answer in the list is equal to the correct answer, and if it is, then we'll increase the score by 1, and if it isn't, we will decrease the score by 1, score minus equal 1. Okay, and at the end we'll set answered to true. Okay, so now we want to do that for all the other boxes. So this will be box 2, and well, the y value, the width and height of the rectangle won't change, just the x value, because we'll move the box. The box will be, the next boxes will be more to the right. Okay, so this will be 250, and then this will have to check if the second index is the correct answer. Okay, and now this will be box 3, and so this will have to be 450, and then next we'll have to make sure the answer is the third index of the answer list, and then box 4, and then this will be 3, and this will be 650. So I already played around with the coordinates and the width and height of the box, and this is like the perfect coordinates. Okay, so now we'll need to put brackets on these I forgot to. So on the pygame.mouse.get position, put brackets there, and we'll also want to print score, like in the terminal, print score, so we can see the score increasing. And it's also important to delay a little, so we'll delay pygame. We'll do pygame.time.delay for 65 milliseconds. It may be a little, but it's very important, or else it'll take the input and use it for many questions. Okay, let's see how it is now. Line 42. Okay, I think I accidentally put a brackets there too. Okay, let's run. Okay, so if you click start, it will give us a question, 4 times 1, and then we'll have to click the window. It's a little glitched out right now, but it'll be at 4, so we'll click 4 and see our score increased by 1. So 5 times 2, 10, so we'll click 2, or not in the terminal, click the screen, and 2, and our score increased again. So 10 times 6, it'll be in the first one, so 1 there, increases. So let's try answering incorrectly. So we'll say it's in the third one, and our score decreases. So the score and everything works. Okay. In the next lesson, we will code the visuals for the game. Thank you for watching, and make sure to check out our other videos. This video was created by Md Nazmus Saad from the CodeBakery. Looking to learn how to code apps, games, and websites for free? Subscribe and sign up at thecodebakery.herokuapp.com.